Hello friends! Today I thought I would give you a dorm tour of my sophomore year dorm room at Temple University. I'm really happy with how my room turned out this year, and I really wanted to show you guys the stuff that I used to decorate and just tell you where I got things from in case you want it for your dorm or your room at home or anything like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So when you walk into my dorm, this is what you see. I live in an apartment style dorm, which means that I have a living area over here, a kitchen area over here, and then we have one bedroom here, one bedroom over there, and then a bathroom for each bedroom. So in total, 4 people live in this dorm. And then this one over here is mine with my roommate Hannah. This is the outside of our door, and we have this little love sign above these hooks over here. So then if you walk into my room, this is my side. I'll give you an overview. And then this is Hannah's side. I'm not gonna go into detail with her stuff, but I do think her side is so cute. So there it is. And then this is that's my side of the closet, and then this is Hannah's side. So yeah, so starting at the closet area, I just have these felt hangers. I think I got them from Target, but honestly you can get these really any department store or anything like that. They're very common. And then I have this hanging thing here that is from IKEA, and it's really nice. I know a lot of people have rectangular ones too, but this is a triangle one, which I think is cool. And it holds some shoes and also some t-shirts in the middle, and then it has some hooks up here, and I put my purses on it and a necklace. And then there's also little pockets, so I put hair stuff, scrunchies, stuff like that. So I really like that thing. Then I just have all my clothes here. Up here I have extra towels. This is a little hooter, so cute. And then I have laundry detergent, wipes, tissues, boring stuff like that. Here's some shoes. And then this dresser comes with the dorm. And I just have other clothes in there. This is just a drying rack for when I do laundry and stuff. And then over here, I got this, what is this thing called? I don't know, but I got this hanging thing from, where did I get this? I think I got it from Forever 21. And then I also have a bunch of these little flowers all over the wall. I got those from Pottery Barn. I got a lot of stuff from Pottery Barn. And then over here in the middle of the wall, more flowers. The big ones are also from Pottery Barn. And then I have these framed art prints. They are all from Pottery Barn, I'm pretty sure, and so are the frames. This one I think is so cute. It says, "Music is the shorthand of emotion," and it doesn't say what song this is, but it's actually Amazing Grace, which is so cute because my name's Grace. And then Leo told stories who said the quote. Yes, and then the other ones are just this, not carousel, Ferris wheel, and then this ice cream cone with flowers in it, which is so cute. And then I have this star banner, which is from Urban Outfitters. So then under that is my desk, and I really like these desks because they're really big and you can fit a lot of stuff on them. So I have tissues, I have a jewelry organizer with necklaces and bracelets and stuff. I want to say I got that from Urban as well. So yeah, I have this little tray with my earrings on it. That is from Mama Gardens actually. And then I have this mirror. Hello. And it lights up, which is nice. That is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then I have this thing for my makeup, which is pretty small, but I don't have that much makeup, so it's a perfect size for me. I got it from I think the Container Store, but yeah, they have these at a lot of places, so it shouldn't be hard to find. And then on top I just have some perfume and lotion over here. Then I have this cup. I'm not sure where I got it, but it's just a standard mug with makeup brushes and an eyelash curler. Over here we have tape and a stapler, I think from Target. This lamp thing is really nice because it has all these like pockets and like cups to put stuff in. I think I got that from Target. But yeah, it has like pencils, my Naked palette. Yeah, so then over here, this nightstand thing, Brandon actually made for me, which is so cool. I really like it because it's like super tall and like the bed here is like raised higher than normal, so I really needed like a custom nightstand, I guess. But yeah, so this light box, it's lit up right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it also changes colors in this mode, which is cool. So yeah, it just says "Be here now." I think that's a cute quote. This little dish, I got it from my graduation party, like when I graduated high school. This thing is supposed to be like to hold a picture right here, but I don't have any pictures right now, so it's just sitting there. And then I have two bunnies. And then down here we have a picture of me and Brandon, a picture of me and Jordan, a unicorn cactus thing, which is from Forever 21, and then a pink dog back there. On the bottom, or no, this is the middle shelf. On the middle shelf I have some books, and then on the bottom down there I have loci bracelets and a scrapbook that Farali made for me for my graduation party, so that is cute. On my bed, the comforter on my bed is from Pottery Barn. This blanket, I really like this blanket. It's like a like crystal type pattern. It's really pretty. It's like rose gold and pink. It is from Society 6 and it's like really soft on the inside too. Society 6 is like really good. I actually also got this tapestry from Society 6 and I had this last year and you've probably seen it in some of my videos. So cute. Those lights up there are from Target. And then back down here, this bunny is from Target. Oh, these bunnies over here. This one Hannah gave, this one Brandon gave me, and it's from Francesca's. And then the pillows over here. These two are from Forever 21. The sheets and the pillowcase right here are from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. The one back here, that one is from Pottery Barn. It like matches this pattern of comforter. And then I have a panda pillow pet, and then like one of these like husband pillows or whatever you call them. And that is from Costco. It's very nice and it was very cheap. So then I have this beautiful view out here of Temple. Here is most of the campus over here. And then, yeah, North Philly. It's very nice. I love it. Oh, and then back down here, this like ottoman thing is from Dormify, the website called Dormify. And then it also has like storage in it, so I put like some wintry shoes in there because I don't need them for a while. And then this laundry basket is from Target and it has like my laundry bag and a blanket. The bag is from, I think, Urban, and the blanket is from DSW actually. I think I got it for free. Over here, this is my color guard backpack that I use for practice. And then this comes with the dorm. It is just some drawers that I have some like random stuff in. And over here we have trash can, printer, and then just like random stuff in that box. It's my backpack. Also, under my bed, there's a lot of room because I said like the bed is pretty like raised pretty high, so there's like lots of room under here. So I just like have basically just storage down here. These bins I think are from either like Target or the Container Store or something. That's just the box for my hunters. And then I have these drawers with more clothes, and these I think are from Target. So that is it for my room. And then coming out here, this is the kitchen area, like I said before. So we have a microwave, a full-size fridge, which is so nice, and then we have these like cubbies for each of us because there's 4 people that live here. That one is mine. A table, and then over here, this is like the common area. And so we have a couch, a chair over there, that little table, and it's TV, which came with it, and it came with cable and everything, which is nice. One of us brought this chair. It's very comfy, and we brought the rug too. Yes, another good view over there. And yeah, oh, and then this is our bathroom, me and Hannah's bathroom. So we have a shower, a rack for our bathroom stuff, and then the sink over here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I really like how my room turned out, and if you have any questions about living in a dorm or living at Temple or anything like that, definitely comment down below and I will answer them. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Bye guys.